Vishal Pal in 8. Jenson Johnson, we've seen him holding the national record, the 800 meters.
On your mark.
The north of India has always been good at the 800 meters. As we now set off 2 laps of this stadium, the 800 meters. And in a short while, the advantage, Vikas, will all go away because they will all a little later converge into one single track. Now, this is where the advantage slips away because they all come into one single track. So you just saw the 8th lane, which was Vishal Pal, sneaking in out there. You know, Anand uses the word stealing the show. So I think one of them will perhaps try to steal it away to continue to take the lead.
जी हाँ, 482 रुद्रजीत इस समय फिलहाल तो वो जो पहली लैप जो चल रही है उसमें लीडिंग पोजीशन में नज़र जरूर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी भी ये परिस्थितियां बदल सकती हैं क्योंकि यहाँ से आपको आंखों का धोखा हो सकता है। ज़रूर नज़र आएगा कि शायद जो वाइड सबसे खिलाड़ी है वो सबसे आगे चल रहा हो, लेकिन देखिए कितनी जल्दी ये तस्वीर बदल चुकी है।
Well, I just get information as these runners now approaching virtually the last 300 meters. My good old friend Raja Raman tells me that Mohammad Afzal has broken the 800 meters record at the UAE. Well, just recently, I think it was yesterday perhaps, 5 days ago. Yes, thank you Raja. So Jenson Johnson's record has gone down. It's good to see Ajit Kulkarni sitting in the stands out here. Oh, and the mother, Rupali Ambure, is also here. It's good to see them watching action when their daughter is not here. We are now coming up to the last stretch out here. Last stretch. We're looking at bib number 398, Harshal Dharmendra Joge of Maharashtra. And Maharashtra's domination, Vikas. And I continue to say that not because I am from that state. For me, it's nation first. But Maharashtra dominating athletics out here even on the 3rd day. Sailing through smooth like an albatross, screaming over the water. It was Harshal Dharmendra Joge of Maharashtra taking the gold.
जी हाँ, और दूसरे स्थान पर रहते हुए 465 ज्ञान सिंह यादव उत्तर प्रदेश के, उन्होंने जीता है रजत पदक इस 800 मीटर रन के फाइनल के अंदर। आधिकारिक पुष्टि का इंतजार रहेगा कि वो टाइमिंग क्या निकाली है, लेकिन एक और बार नजर डाल लीजिए जब वो आखिरी के 50 मीटर के आसपास की रेस में रह गई थी तो लंबे लंबे डग भरते हुए बहुत तेज गति के साथ फिनिश लाइन को क्रॉस करते हुए हर्षल।
This is the style I remember of Sebastian Coe in the 800 meters. The hands go out. 1980. Remember we had the 3 big names and then the finger goes up. I wonder whether he's watched